Good morning, everybody. Behind me is a brand new 2025 Jayco Eagle, and it's a whole new floor plan. Let's go have a quick peek. So there's a lot to see, a lot to talk about, but we're gonna keep this one short. Look at that window right there. This is the 360 DB OK for outdoor kitchen. And I'll show you what the DB means in a minute here. Nice and long, there's plenty of space in here. Let me show you in the underbelly. We got a whole new audio system in the Eagles. We got a 3-stage water filtration system. This thing's pretty cool. There's your table. So this one, being an outside kitchen, has the sink that goes in there. We got your outdoor speaker here. Now let's go on inside. So not a ton of design updates for 2025 on the inside, at least visually. As far as the details, the stuff that counts, that's where Jayco has really put in the work this year. You got your fridge here, stove over here, and let's just talk about the drawer situation. We all know that drawers offer better storage than cabinets. And for years, RV manufacturers, even Jayco, were kind of going away from drawers. This year in every lineup, not just the Eagle, Jayco has been bringing drawers back. Everywhere that they can, they are putting drawers in. Everywhere. Then, this has probably caught your eye. We got a new sink system. So, pull-out sprayer, got the cup washer, and then there are a few attachments. You've got sort of a rinse sink. You got an angled one for the veggies. There's a cutting board that goes up here. And this is a spray faucet as well. And as you can maybe see, the bottom is slanted, so it actually just kind of all drains. It's not like some of those flat farmhouse style sinks where the water just kind of sits in there. So I love that. Got a power tower here. Power, USB, USB-C, and then when it's in the counter, it's a wireless charger. Solid surface countertops the whole way through. Now I'm going to show you this fridge because it's pretty cool. We got 2 drawers here for the freezer and your fridge in there. Now this one is a 12-volt fridge as well. Now we got the pantry, which somehow they've made even bigger than before. Removable shelves the whole way throughout. It's super tall as well, so you know, if you want to hang your Dyson or whatever else up there, you can do that. Got the coffee bar with the sort of butcher block top. Nice cabinets. Now they're all magnetic latches now, which I like, and they're sort of a shaker style cabinet, which is really nice. Over here, theater seating. This is called the theater sofa. There's the theater seating there. There are options here. I believe you can get a trifold either here or there. So you can kind of configure this however makes the most sense for you. Look at all these windows. Really nice roller shades with the reflective foil backer. So really keep the sun out, and you can get them all the way down there to really block that sun. USB here. Individually addressable lights. We've got the BM Pro panel in here, so you can run everything from your phone. Really nice light fixtures. Ceiling fan up there. And here's one more look at that kitchen area. Nice light strip under the island. Here's your entertainment center. Got another controller for your audio system. Big smart TV. And they put a ton of cabinetry in here as well. It's very deep. This one has Overlander 2 on it. That's 400 watts of solar and an 1800 watt inverter. That's optional, not standard. Now, in here, we have a queen bed and the loft. And no, this isn't your main bedroom. Down here, we got a dresser, kind of guest dresser, right? Really nice mattress that they put in there. We've got a wardrobe so you can hang some stuff. Super cozy little bedroom in here. there's power. You got control of the lights. That outlet is also an inverter powered outlet. Then we've got the ladder here. This can fold up. If I unlatch it, this can fold up and go out of the way. Or it comes back down. We got the teddy bear mattress, a railing, some storage up there, and a window. That window opens so you can get some airflow. Really nice in here. They did a lot with the space, which is one of those things, you know, it's hard work trying to make use of all the space, which again, they did right here behind that entertainment center. They put a half bath in here. Porcelain foot flush toilet, even in the half bath. Medicine cabinet as well. Check that out. With sort of the matching butcher block for your countertop. There's power in here and a little storage there. There is also a vent fan right up there. So let's have one last look at that. There is your DB. This is a double bedroom, right? So here's your second bedroom. Really nice. You know, I could see this being, you got a place to stay, or you know what? You buy this while you have young kids, and as they get older, there's still enough room. There's plenty of room to grow. And then, you know, in the future, if your kids have kids, well, then you've got space for the grandkids as well. So I love this floor plan. It's very creative. It's been a long time since we saw anything super creative like this from Jayco, and they're doing a lot this year. So here's your bathroom. Nice shower, good size. Reinforced floor, of course. And then here's kind of a good look. I'm 5'11", so there's tons of room above me in here. It's a very tall shower. Porcelain foot flush toilet in here. And here's what I'm talking about. They're putting drawers everywhere. Wherever they can, they are putting drawers in. Got a medicine cabinet in this bathroom as well, with the light behind it there. Controller for your on-demand water heater. And into the bedroom. In here, we've got this massive bed, but there's still tables, little tables on both sides. There's power on both sides of the bed. Windows, individual reading lights. Lovely, lovely slide. It's not huge, but it opens up a ton of space in here. There's a bunch of storage under the bed as well. And what you saw in there in that little corner, those were the tables that go in the cup holders of the theater seats. So you can have like TV dinner tables. We got 2 air conditioners in here. They're whisper quiet. So the whisper quiet air conditioning system is super efficient. And if you couldn't tell by the name, it's very quiet. So they actually put the main unit kind of up above the ducting. And then it just kind of runs throughout the unit in proper ducts. It's not just let loose through the attic. So really efficient. Now here we've got your dresser. Decent drawers. They're not super deep lengthwise, but they are pretty deep and quite wide. And in the Eagles with the bed slide, almost everyone I've seen so far has this window. So it's your emergency exit, but it's huge, just a huge window. You know, hopefully you park in a direction, you get the morning sun through there, right? It does have a roller shade, so you can block it out if you want, but that's awesome. Love to see big windows. Then we got your front closet. Mirrored doors, mirrored sliding doors. Walk into here. Tons of space. There's a motion light above me. Massive rod that goes the whole way across for hanging stuff. And shelves on both sides. And then here is the new griddle that they've brought to everything. Eagle HT travel trailer and up. We've also got washer dryer prep in here. And there are rods underneath both of these. So you would go washer on that side, dryer on that side. And that's pretty much it. Just a little sneak peek. So you can see what this brand new floor plan is all about. Now, I absolutely love this new floor plan. Like I said, I think Jayco's doing a great job, and adding this to the book is really nice. Super versatile. There's a ton of space, ton of sleeping space. What do you think of the floor plan though? Let me know. I'll see you next time.